Hi everybody, it's Caitlin here from South Perth Chiropractic, and something I hear regularly looking after our pregnant mums is that they get some lower back pain or pubic bone pain when they either get into bed or roll over in bed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how not to get into bed and roll over and how is best to do it. So how not to do it is to jump into bed with our legs separated. This shears the pubic bone and can create quite a bit of discomfort through the pelvis and also through the front. Now, what we then see is when people roll over in bed is we use one leg, we hook it over, and then the other one follows through, which shears the pubic bone again and causes discomfort or instability through the lower back. So the way we should do it is when we get into bed, we should sit down on the edge of the bed with our knees together. Gently lower ourselves into a side lying position and bring our legs up. When we want to roll over, we need to keep our knees together because this keeps a really nice stability through the lower back. As we roll over, we bring both knees over to the other side. We can use a pillow in between our knees to ensure that we're comfortable. When we get out of bed, we're basically going to reverse the way we got in. So we're going to put our knees together, let them hang off the bed as we use that momentum to bring ourselves up. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you'd like to keep up to date with all our great content, please follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to us on YouTube. Until next time.